China SF2000 automatic pallet deck nailer cuts most manual work, boost your profit margin instantly. Full automatic integrated production, ultra-low labor input. Cutting labor expenditure by over 70% compared with traditional manual nailing lines. All finished pallets have uniform appearance and stable bearing capacity. Fully meetings export pallet quality inspection standards equal US standard pallets. 20 kW stable power configuration, continuous high-speed nailing cycle. All deck board length, stringer spacing and nail quantity parameters can be quickly adjusted via touch screen without mechanical refitting. High-speed nailing cycle. Wide size adaptability, multi-standard pallet compatible. Supporting non-standard size customization according to customer workshop spaces and pallet specifications. Passed CE, ISO 9001 international certification, fully compliant with factory safety production standards in Europe. SF2000 is your best pallet manufacturing partner.